welcome to my channel, and this is Maya Mia. So guys, finally we're ready on the beach. We have a chance to come to the beach and swim at the beach. So I'm with Kendra, and my videographer is my sister Nanny. So yeah, look at this boat here. We've been wanting to come to the beach for a long time. So yeah, and finally we're here, guys. So I really want to swim today, but we will see if it's the water is good or not. This is a proper Lingsa beach. Okay, so where are we going, guys? We wanted to go to the Nalbo beach, but they are closed. They are closed because we are in MSQ. Look at this, guys. This spot and that slide. I think she's enjoying the water, guys. Let her play, let her play. Ta-da! Say ta-da! Let's go and swim! Kapanan tayo? Okay. Okay guys, let's go and explore the other ay, ito ba ito? Mali. Like the beach? Yes? Do you love to play the water? Yes?
Yes, Mommy.
Yes, Tita. Nagbala.